megahertz near Portland, Oregon. This broadcast originates from the National Weather Service in Portland, Oregon. The current time is 10:58 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. The following statement is for the following county: Washington, Oregon. Flood warning now in effect until late tonight. What minor flooding is occurring and minor flooding is forecast? Where? Tualatin River at Farmington. When? Until late tonight. Impacts above 32.0 feet. Expect flooding of numerous fields and low-lying farms, along with flooding of a few secondary roads in and around Farmington and Tualatin. Some farmland near the river channel will be inundated. Additional details: at 8:30 p.m. Tuesday, the stage was 32.1 feet. Thankful stage is 28.0 feet. Recent activity: the maximum river stage in the 24 hours ending at 8:30 p.m. Tuesday was 32.5 feet. Forecast: the river will continue to slowly fall, falling below flood stage later tonight. The river will continue to gradually subside through the end of the week. Flood stage is 32.0 feet. http://www